Hello friends, this is Ransil's Kitchen. Today we will teach you how to make Goan beef potato chops. Enjoy! To make beef potato chops, you need half kilo of beef mince. Add salt. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic. The salt in the beef mince. Keep it for 15 minutes. To make beef chops, you must peel the potatoes. Already peeled the potatoes. Now you cut and keep it for boil. Cut the potatoes. Put the cut potatoes in a cooker. It cook with salt. Let the potato cook in the pressure cooker with 4 whistles. Potatoes are already boiled. Drain the water. Put them on the strainer. Cool down for half an hour. You need a breadcrumb. You need 2 onions, 5 green chilies, 5-6 bunch of coriander leaves, you need 1 tomato, 2 eggs, 25 grams of butter. You need some spices, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 red chili wholes, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, teaspoon of cloves, 6 garlic flakes, 1 piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You must grind all this in a mixer. Need all the spices to blend in the mixer. Of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar. This masala is done. Remove it in a bowl. Fine, blend it. This masala. Chop onions. Chop tomatoes to make beef chops. Chilies. 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry the onions. Add the tomatoes. After well golden brown down, mix. Add the paste. After onion and tomato well fried, add mince in the masala. This beef mince we use to make beef chops. Cook till the water gets dry. The mince is getting cooked. Let it cook until the water reduces from the mince. Add the coriander leaves. Mix it. The beef mince is already done. Let it cool it for 15 minutes. The potatoes are already cold. Start to mash the potatoes. Nicely. 25 grams of butter. Mix the butter with the mashed potatoes. 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder and salt to taste. Mix it, smash it. Mashed potato is already ready to make beef chops. Beef chops, you need 2 eggs. Beat the egg. Make the beef chops, you need 2 eggs, 150 grams of breadcrumbs, 1 kg of cooked ground beef, 7-8 of mashed potatoes. Some oil on your palm. Take handful of mashed potatoes. Take a shape like this. Full of mashed potatoes like this on top. The beef chops are ready. Chef Armando and Chef Garis are making beef chops. You must make mashed potato like this. Stuff it. Other half of the mashed potato on the top. All type of shape. Round ball type of shape. We have made nice beef potato chops. This beef potato chops is ready to fry in egg. In breadcrumb. Make a round shape. Put in egg. In the breadcrumb. Nicely fried beef potato chops. This potato chop is done. Remove it. It's nicely fried. This potato, we are frying some of the beef potato chops with semolina dip. The beef potato chop in egg. Roll it in the semolina. You can see the color difference between breadcrumb and semolina. Right? We have two different type of beef potato chops. These are with breadcrumb. Beef potato chops are fried with semolina.